In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change microphone in Brave browser. If you've ever joined a call and Brave picked the wrong mic, this quick walkthrough will help you set the right one as your default. We'll do everything inside Brave's settings so the browser consistently uses the microphone you want. Start by opening your Brave browser. In the top right corner, click the three-line menu to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings to open Brave's Preferences page. On the Settings page, look to the left sidebar and select Privacy and Security. This area controls what websites can access while you browse. Next, click Site and Shield Settings. That's where Brave manages permissions for things like your camera, location, and of course, your microphone. Scroll to the Permissions section and choose Microphone. This page is your control center for mic access. At the top, you'll see a drop-down labeled Default Microphone, or similar. Open that list and select the device you want Brave to use. The names you see come from your operating system, so choose the exact microphone you prefer, such as a USB mic or a headset. Once you make a selection, Brave saves it automatically. No extra confirmation needed. A few helpful tips while you're here. If you don't see your microphone in the list, make sure it's connected and recognized by your computer. Then close and reopen Brave so it refreshes the device list. You'll also notice options related to site permissions. Leaving the setting that allows sites to ask before accessing your microphone is a good privacy practice because you'll get a prompt each time a site wants to use it. Below that, you may see a list of sites that have been allowed or blocked previously. You can review those entries to keep only the ones you trust. After you've chosen your default microphone, you're ready to use it in calls, recordings, or voice notes. The next time a website requests mic access, Brave will use the device you selected. Some video conference sites also have their own in-meeting microphone picker, so be sure the same device is chosen there if needed. That's it. You opened Brave, went to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site and Shield Settings, Microphone, and picked the device you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy clearer audio with the microphone you choose in Brave.